एंड नेक्स्ट फेज ऑफ लाइफ में आप क्या प्लान कर रहे हो? आर यू प्लानिंग फॉर रिटायरमेंट?
I have retired already. I've not played for last 2.5 years.
Hmm.
मुझे arthritis हो गया था, complete degeneration of cartilage, and I've not been playing from last 2 years. I miss the sport. It is not easy to live without badminton. I have played for 25 years. I have put all the efforts. I have achieved what I could. I'm very very happy with that. Though yes, I miss the tension, the pressure, the stress. It was all fun. It with experience, it all became very very good. But at the same time, I've missed out on so many things. I've My parents have missed out on many things.
Hmm.
They have not traveled the world. They have not seen anything. They were always behind me, always wanted me to do well. So I want to show the world to them. I want to make them happy जहाँ पे भी वो जाना चाहते हैं, जितना उन्होंने मेरे मेरे करियर के लिए किया। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स अपने जो मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स होते हैं इतने सारे स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस में, आई वुड लाइक टू मोटिवेट लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स टू डू वेल इन द स्पोर्ट। चाहे कोई भी स्पोर्ट में दे वांट टू गेट इन, कोचिंग इज ऑलवेज एन ऑप्शन। इट्स नॉट लाइक वो चले जाएगा, बिकॉज आई नो हाउ टू प्ले एंड आई नो कोचिंग भी कैसी दी जाती है। तो मे बी इन फ्यूचर, नॉट नाउ, बट आई विल। इट्स अगेन अ वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल जॉब बिकॉज it's
Yeah.
not playing is actually selfish, but
Hmm.
coaching is actually giving. You have to give
Yeah.
to so many players, and you have to
Right.
really be very very strict coach, and you have to be actually more disciplined than the player. तो
Hmm.
वो लाइफ भी बहुत टफ हो जाएगी immediately, but I would like to see in the future. I'll definitely think about it. But 25 years of strictness and all that is actually made me a little tired as well. But at the same time, I miss it.
Hmm.
But I still want to enjoy the other bits, whatever I'm getting because of my game,
Hmm.
and want to really make my parents happy for whatever they have done.
Hmm.
And my husband is anyways coaching. Kashyap is coaching with Gopi sir.
Hmm.
So we already have a coach in the house, so that's fine. Yeah.